What's happening, Jeepsters? 2010 Jeep Wrangler. This was in for a fan control circuit and no AC. So what I want you to do is check your fuses in your fuse box. Check your connector here, make sure it's not melted. Make sure you have your powers and grounds. If not, then you're on to replacing the fan, or you have an engine control module problem. I would say least likely would be the engine control module, but again, I have seen that fail. So then you're going to change the fan assembly. I'm going to show you what that's all about. So on the top, you're going to have this piece here with 3 push clips. All right, pull the push clips out, remove this. Take the air box, unclip it. I'm sure you guys are all familiar with that. Take that, flip it to the side. Take the coolant tank off, slide it up, place that to the side. Careful not to break the nipple here, all right? And then at the bottom of the radiator shroud, it has these stupid push clips that are this way, all right? You can try and pull it up and see if they'll come out, depends on how brittle they are, or you have to go underneath the car and pull the push clips out. Unplug the radiator fan. There's 2 8mm at the top. This is where the coolant surge tank bottle slides in. That just slides up and out. And then once the bottom piece that has the little push clips in it, it's at the bottom or out, you can just slide this right up and out. Pretty simple to do. Then once you replace the fan, you may have to charge the AC to make sure that it didn't discharge from not having any fan control. So while I'm removing the fan and radiator, it says 7.89 pounds in it. It probably has the ID somewhere. Let me see. So this is supposed to have 1.125 in it. So it's either low or it did discharge some of the AC. So we're going to recharge that, put some oil and dye in it, put the fan back in, and test the system then. You really can't test an AC system without it having the proper functions, meaning the fan has to work, the sensors have to work, the compressor has to work, everything has to work in an AC system to complete diagnose and repair. Thanks for watching.